everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are on day 3 of Navratri makeup series and the color is yellow. So as you can see, I have done some yellow color eye makeup with glitters, and if you want to know how to get this look, you have to watch this video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Starting this video with Indian style greetings. For moisturizer, I'm going to use this Quench Anti-Shine Moisturizer, and this is in gel form, really good for those who have oily skin. Next is this primer from Lakme, and over here I think so I have applied more primer than actually what I need, but anyways this primer really works well and fills my pores. So now I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline, their Age Rewind concealer in shade Caramel. It's similar to my skin tone, so I'm using this concealer as foundation because in this video I'm not going to use any foundation but only concealers. Now I'm going to blend this concealer with help of this beauty blender. After seeing these results, I feel concealer blends really well than a foundation. Now I'm applying this highlighting concealer from Show Cosmetics and the shade is 45. As you can see, first I've applied the concealer on my eyelids, then under my eyes, and for eyelids I've applied so that I get a proper base for this yellow eye makeup. So for this video I'm going to use 3 different yellow colors. 2 are from this Revolution palette and other one is from this Nikage Autumn Spice palette. After taking color, I'm going to wet this brush a little bit with setting spray and then I'm going to apply that on my eyelids, and I did this step so that the intensity of color improves. So now I'm going to use this shimmer eyeshadow from Show Cosmetics, and this I'm going to apply only on half of my eyelids. I'm not going to cover my entire eyelids, and this is going to add a pretty shimmery shine on my eyelids as you can see. And I'm blending this shade with the previous shade as well, and now I'm selecting these 2 glitter shades, that is golden and somewhat near light gold, and I'm going to apply only a little quantity of glitter on my eyelids. I'm going to apply these glitters only on the shimmer area. Now from this palette I'm going to mix light brown and a dark brown shade, and after that I'm going to create a small kind of wing eyeliner with help of these 2 eyeshadows like so. Now I have applied some concealer to undo any errors while applying eyeshadow and create a sharp wing line. Again, the same eyeshadow I'm going to apply on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to complete my eye makeup with help of this mascara. I'm going to apply mascara on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes. So I would like to share some struggles that I faced while creating this video, that is to get good pigmentation of the yellow shade. That's why I had decided to mix 3 different yellow shades, and this is how it is looking right now. Coming back on face makeup, I'm going to apply this blush from Just Herbs, and I'm going to blend this with help of my brush. Over here I'm using some compact powder and I'm setting my T-zone area from getting oily. For lips I'm using this lip liner and the shade is purple. It's from Swiss Beauty. And for lipstick I'm going to use this lipstick from Mama Earth and the color is Candy Floss. And this is how I started with my lips. First I'm lining my lips with help of this lip liner, and then I'm going to fill my lips with help of that lipstick from Mama Earth. So here's the final look. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and this look. If you do like this look, let me know through your comments in the comment section. Also give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you'll get notification every time when I post a new video. And there will be more Navratri looks coming up, so stay tuned and I will see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching.